Abahlali basemjondolo yaseThandanani bathi umasipala waseThekwini uma uzodiliza lemjondolo ufika bengekho, kanti ke lokhu sekholele ekutheni belahlekelwe impahla yabo.
They lost their IDs, some of them they lost even their TVs inside. There's a lot of items that has been lost here. And the municipalities, they need to come forward and explain what are we going to do with those things and where are those people who are going to stay at the moment, because now they never even go to work. They lost their work. They here because they lost a lot of things.
Bathi lokhu aqali ukwenzeka.
Sijwayele ukudilizelwa unyaka nonyaka nje. Kuyenzeka okanye babuye iveki neveki. Okanye babuye sebebuyela okanye umuntu oyedwa ngoba kumpimpana bani simpimpana sodwa.
Labahlali bathi abanayo enye indawo abangakha kuyo.
Besicela ukuthi indawo sisebenzise ngoba indawo ihlela yenza lutho. Bona mawukuthi khona i-project mhlambe ezayo asinankinga nayo.
Uphendula ngalolu daba umasipala waseThekwini uthi imjondolo ecekelwe phansi ileyo emisha eyakhiwe ngokungemthetho, futhi usazoqhubeka uyicekele phansi uma ngabe abantu beqhubeka nokuyigxumeka.